Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to Micro-credential Learning Series. My name is Karim Alias. In this video, I would like to talk about interactive content for online course. How to develop interactive content for online course. For when we develop interactive content for online course, we have to keep in mind that there are different types of content, and the interactive content is one of the type of content that we want to have more, because this would allow students to actively engage with the course, because they have to interact actively or directly with the content. But it's not always easy to develop interactive content. But nowadays we have quite a number of applications we can use to develop interactive content. So on the screen, you can see this one example. I have two slides on this presentation to make it simple. So you can see here, this is the first slide. I don't have any interactive element on this slide. So I can go to the next slide. So in the next slide, you can see here, there are 4 items here. And you can see there's a plus sign down here. It's actually flickering, maybe not very obvious. But the plus sign is actually the symbol, or the kind of the hotspot, where the students will have to click in order to reveal the content. So the content is actually hidden. It's not displayed automatically. So that actually would kind of force the students to interact with the content. So they have to click, and then the content will pop up, will appear, and actually a more detailed description about that particular item. So we have a text, we have a video, so we can actually include any form of content here. It can be a picture, a combination of picture, video, text, and other type of content as well. So for example, in this one, so we have text, we have picture, and we have a video embedded. This one also, we have text and also picture. So this type of interactive content can be created by using certain application. Of course, you can do it in PowerPoint, but the PowerPoint, if you want to embed it, you cannot embed the file as it is, because it doesn't work that way. Maybe you have to upload to the SlideShare and then embed the SlideShare. So I want to show you, for this type of interactive content, I use this application called Genialy. I've shown in other videos, you can check out on my YouTube channel. The Genialy is actually a wonderful application you can use to create various types of interactive content. And for the free account, actually, you can do a lot of things. Previously, I've shown in another video how to create interactive image. In this presentation, in this video, I want to show you how to create the same type of presentation just now. I will recreate this one, not totally, but I will recreate part of this presentation using Genialy here. So let's do it now. So when you click presentation, you can see here, you will see the list of templates which you can use to customize and develop your own presentation. They have Genialy has a lot of very nice looking, impressive template that you can use for your own presentation. All you need to do is to choose a template and customize the element on the template. I want to show you that I'm using a free account. So some of this template here with a star sign here, this is actually the template only available for those who have subscription to Genialy, the paid account. So if you are using the free account, you have to use the template which doesn't have this star sign, or you can click free here and it will show you only a free template which you can use. There's still a lot of free template you can use and customize. Let's just have a quick look at one or two of these template. For example, this maybe let's see this one. So it has a nice animation, and all you need to do is to change and customize the text. You can actually change any and customize any element on the slide. You can change the color, you can delete any element that you don't want. You can add a new element that more suitable for your application. So you can go and browse through the slide and see which one that you want to use for your presentation and start customizing it. You can see it's very nice. You can have a look at the thumbnail. So there are 13 slides here actually. So you can see which one that you want to use, or you can use all for your presentation and start customizing it. If you decide you want to use the template, you can just click use this template, and then you will go, you can start customizing it. But for this example, I don't want to use the template. That one you can try, and play around very easily. I want to show you how to start with a blank presentation. So we start with a blank canvas and then add the element to the slide. So I'll try to do it very quickly. I don't want the video to be too long. Okay. So now I'm starting with a blank slide or a blank canvas. So you are free to actually add the elements that you need. Okay, I have the first slide here. I want to add the second slide. And here you get to choose types of slide with a different layout. Here, even for a free account, it's very generous. So I want to have a blank slide and maybe another blank slide. I have two blank slide here. Okay, and this one I don't want to use it because it has some content. So it's the first slide and the second slide, both are blank slide. So now we can start to put or add elements into the slide. And here on the left, you have a variety, a different choice of text. You can insert image from your computer, and from Pixabay, there is actually a place where you can find over 1 million of pictures that you can use. You can search the picture using the keyword, and then you just click or drag the pictures into your slide. Can add GIF pictures. You can add from the Genialy library and so on. Resources, you can add icons, you can add lines and arrows and so on. Interactive element, different kind of icons. You can use button with text and markers and so on. All you need to do is to click or drag into your slide. But the best part that I want to show you is this one, smart blocks. So you can see here, this is actually the different kind of block ready for you to use and customize. Okay, the first one that I want to use here, because I want to reproduce the content slide here. So I want to reproduce this slide. And for this one, actually, I use this one. So I just click this. You don't need to even drag. You just click and it will go into the slide. Then I will adjust the size. Oops. Undo. All right. Okay. Yeah. Like so. Okay. Then I want to start customizing this slide or this template. I don't need this text. I don't need this text. Hmm. That's quite tricky. Okay. Now I just change title here. Scholars. And put my name here. The name of the author. Okay, and I don't want this button. Just delete it. So as you can see, when you customizing the template, you can actually add or delete whatever element that you don't want. Of course, the picture here, I want to change the picture to my own picture. You can find from the different places here, from the Pixabay and so on. But I want to upload from my computer because I have the picture, so I can choose or drag the picture and using this one. Okay, so choose the picture, then click replace. Then you can see we'll replace this picture. Then that looks fine. I click OK here. Then that's it. I got the first slide already. I don't want to have any interactive element on this slide. I will do that in my second slide. So now I will go to my next slide. So to go to the next slide, well, it's a bit hidden here. You can see down here, there's pages there. See, click pages. Then, yeah, down here, pages. Then, okay. Now you have the second slide. So now, again, go to the smart blocks. And this time, let me look for the, which one? Yeah, I use this block for the second slide. Okay. Adjust the size like so. And then I can start to customize. Let me find the change title. Okay, to save time, I'm not going to customize all the item here. I just do it for this one. So I want to change the picture for this one. So I click this and click replace and find the picture. For the first one, well, the first one is, I think, this one. So, oops, yeah. Okay, so this one, and click replace and click OK and change the title here. See width, and then I already have the plus sign, which is the interactive, the symbol that indicate the interactive element. Let's say I don't want this symbol, I want to use a different symbol, so I just click and click replace, and I have a choice to replace with a lot of different kind of button here. Maybe I want to use this one instead, and click replace. I'll leave it the rest because I want to shorten the video. Then now I have to add the content for the interactive content. When the students click this one, what will appear on the screen. So I will click this one, and then I have a choice between tooltip and window. Tooltip is where if the content is, you have a little bit of content, but when you have more content, you want to use window. So I click window, and I will copy the text here. And then after the text, I want to add a video. So I can click insert video, and then I can go to YouTube and find the link. But in this case, I have already copied the link. So I just copy the link and paste it here and click enter, and the video will appear down below the text, like so. So I'm done. I click OK. So basically, I can repeat the same step, the same procedure for other items here. And basically my slide is more or less ready, all set. Maybe I want to preview. And before that, I have to give the title. Okay, food hydrocolloids 101. And I click save. Then I can test the first slide, second slide, and there is the content appear when I click the button just now. Well, that's how you can create an interactive content using Genialy. So how do I embed this into my website? It's very simple. All you need is to get the link. Maybe we just present this and click accept. This will actually give you the full screen presentation of the presentation that you have prepared. Okay, same thing. Yeah. Okay, looks nice. It's done. So now you want to get the link back to the here just now, and click share, and you can copy the link here, and then you go to your oops, where's my course? Yeah, here. Go to my Google site. I'm using Google site for my online course here. So all I need to do to click insert and click embed, and then just paste the link, and I choose whole page, and then yeah, click insert, and there you have it. You have your interactive content in your online course. So that's all there is to it. You can see it's not that difficult to create an interactive content using Genialy. So I hope you will find this video useful. That's all for now. Thank you for listening.